Namaste students. Today's our topic is general rules and disqualification of succession. Disqualification of succession in Hindu law are given under Hindu Succession Act 1956. Basically section 24 to section 28 deals with the disqualification of succession. Under the Act, the disqualifications are divided into three types: widow remarriage, section 24, a murderer, section 25, conversion of other religion, section 26. Widow's remarriage. Any heir who is related to an intestate as the widow of a predeceased son, the widow of a predeceased son, of a predeceased son or the widow of a brother shall not be entitled to succeed to the property of the intestate as such widow if on the day the succession occurred she had remarried. Purpose of the section. In the object and region append the Hindu Succession Bill 13 of 1954, section 28 of these bill correspondent to section 24 of the said. It was stated the principle underlying this clause is that the widow is surviving half of her husband, and therefore when the remarriage she ceases to continue to be such. Section 2 of the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act 1856 on this basis divested the inheritance already vested in the widow on her remarriage. As the law stands, remarriage disables a widow of a Gotraja Sapinda from succeeding to the property of a male Hindu when on the date succession occurs she has ceased to be the widow of a Gotraj Sapinda by reason of remarriage. Applicability of the section. The section applies only the intestate succession. The testamentary succession is always from the capacity of the section, since a testator has power to lay down in his will any condition on which a beneficiary will take the inheritance. The section applies only to class 1 and class 2 heirs of a Hindu male. It submitted that the question of its application in other cases does not arise, as cognates and agnates are all blood relations. In fact, even among class 1 and class 2 heirs, only 5 heirs are relation by affinity. 5 relations: intestate own widow, son's widow, son's widow, father's widow, and last one brother's widow. The first 3 are in class 1 and last 2 are in class 2. Conversion of other religion. Where before or after the commencement of this act, a Hindu has ceased to be a Hindu by conversion to another religion. Children born to him of her after such conversion and their descendants shall be disqualified from inheriting the property of any their Hindu relatives unless such children or descendants are Hindu are at the time when the succession occurred. Murderer. A person who commits murder or abets the commission of murder shall be disqualified from inheriting the property of person murdered or any other property in furtherance of the succession to which he or she committed or abetted the commission of the murder. Thank you. Thank you so much.